Welcome to the Orange Plaza Car Show, put on by the Orange Plaza Rotary Club every year now for 23 years. Today we have nearly 400 pre-1976 customs classics hot rods and street rods. You will see a fantastic array of cars at the Orange Plaza Car Show. Multiple vendors, our fantastic sponsors are here, and we have 26 trophies to give away to these beautiful cars. So you want to get down here and you want to be seen at the Orange Plaza Car Show every year in April. And what do we do with the car show proceeds? Well, we're right here in Old Town Orange. This is where we do our community service. And if you look around in the plaza, you'll see some of our work. We have actually done orange picking here in the plaza and cleanups, but we also work in local schools with El Medina High School. We also have packed meals, dry meals for people overseas, and we do a number of education initiatives based out of the El Medina area to improve basic literacy and math skills for young children. So we're happy to be a part of the community. We've been in Orange for 32 years. And what we have here today is so many people of all ages really enjoying the fabulous Old Town atmosphere. So we hope to see you here at the Orange Plaza Car Show next year.